Welcome back for another home tour of this beautiful new construction home that's located in Petersburg, Virginia. This home is about 25 minutes south of downtown Richmond. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 1,840 square feet. As you will see, it has a lot of unique modern touches, and the builder or interior designer who was assigned to this property, they understood the assignment. If you aren't aware, there's a lot of development happening in the Petersburg, Virginia area, especially with the announcement of the casino that's actually opening this month. Since then, there's been a lot of investors and a lot of new businesses who are now entering into the market there. And so it's a lot of amazing things underway. As you all know, real estate is all about supply and demand. And because of all the recent developments and investments, a lot of people are now interested in moving into the area or buying investment property there. If you would like to talk specifically about how this would look for you, please feel free to reach out. I'll list my information down below. As always, I'm your go-to girl for real estate. I'm a resource. Reach out. That's all. I can't stress it enough. And if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing?